turning points and stationary points. A point where the gradient of the curve is 0. At the points A and B, the gradient is 0. That is, if we differentiate dy over dx, that will be equal to 0. We know gradient and dy by dx are the same. Now, in order to check whether this A and B are maximum and minimum points, we just differentiated the second time. When we differentiate it, we write it as d squared y over dx squared. When we differentiate, and this is called as the second derivative, if d square y by dx squared is greater than 0, then the point is a minimum point. If d square y by dx squared is less than 0, then the point is maximum. These are the two things which you need to know. To find whether a point is maximum or minimum, we differentiate it the second time. That is, when we differentiate dy over dx, we write it as d square y over dx squared. If it is greater than 0, it is minimum. It is the opposite. Greater is minimum and lesser is maximum. The first question, y equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. We need to find dy over dx. That is, we need to differentiate it. B part, show that the curve has one turning point and find its coordinate. Coordinate is always x and the y value we write. That is called as the coordinate. State whether it is a maximum or a minimum point. So first let us differentiate it. That is the A part. Y equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. So our dy over dx will be equal to 2x minus 4. In order to find our turning point, we need to equate this gradient to 0. That is, dy by dx, we equate it to 0. Dy over dx equal to 0. That implies 2x minus 4 will be equal to 0. So 2x equal to 4, which gives us x equal to 4 over 2. So it is a 2. In B part, we are asked to find the coordinate of the stationary point or the turning point. Now we have found x as 2. Now let us substitute in this. 2 squared minus 4 into 2 plus 3. So it will be equal to 4 minus 8 plus 3. So it will be equal to minus 1. Coordinate of the turning point, that will be equal to the x value is 2 and the y value is minus 1. So this is the coordinate of the turning point. Now in the C part, we need to check whether it is a maximum or a minimum point. Now we have already differentiated. Our dy over dx, we got it as 2x minus 4. Now we'll differentiate this again. So d square y over dx squared. When we differentiated, 2x when we differentiate it is a 2. And a constant when you differentiate it is 0. So this is greater than 0. When it is greater than 0, this is a minimum point. That is, you can write it as the coordinate 2 minus 1 is minimum. The second question, y equal to x square minus 3x minus 10. A, show that the graph crosses the x-axis at minus 2, 0 and 5, 0. B, find dy over dx. C, find the stationary point on the curve. Is it maximum or minimum? The first thing is we need to show that the graph crosses the x-axis. When a graph crosses the x-axis, the y-coordinate will be 0. So the solution, when it crosses y equal to 0. That is, when y equal to 0, we have x squared minus 3x minus 10 will be equal to 0. You need to remember, when it is crossing the y-axis, x will be 0. When it is crossing the x-axis, y will be 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can do it by sum and the product, splitting the middle term. The sum has to be minus 3 and the product has to be minus 10. So if we have minus 5 and 2, when you multiply it, it is minus 10. When you add it, it is a minus 3. So it will be x minus 5, x plus 2 will be equal to 0. So x will be equal to 5 or minus 2. So and for all these, we know y is 0. So this point is 5, 0 and this point is minus 2. Therefore, the graph crosses the x-axis at -2, 0 and 5, 0. Now the next thing is we need to differentiate it and we need to check whether our stationary point, whether it is given stationary point or turning point, it is the same. Two different names for the same thing. So first thing is we need to differentiate it. Second one is we need to find whether that point is maximum or minimum. Now our B part of the question, we need to differentiate it. Dy over dx will be equal to 2x minus 3. Now after this, to find our stationary point, we need to equate dy by dx equal to 0, which implies 2x minus 3 equal to 0. That is x equal to 3 over 2. Therefore, the stationary point x equal to 3 over 2. In our question, we are not asked to find the coordinate. In case if they tell us to find the coordinate, we'll just substitute this x value here and we'll find out the y value. That will give the coordinate. But this question doesn't ask for the coordinate. They are just asking us only the stationary point. So x equal to 3 over 2 is a stationary point. Now we need to check whether this stationary point is maximum or minimum. In order to do that, we differentiate it again, d square y over dx squared. So when we differentiate it, we get a 2. So that means this is greater than 0. Therefore, this point is a minimum point. That is, we can write it as x equal to 3 over 2 is minimum. Third question, a rectangle has a perimeter 30 centimeter. Explain why if one side of the rectangle is x centimeter, the other side will be 15 minus x centimeter. B, suppose the area of the rectangle is a centimeter squared, find its area. C, find the turning point of the area and check whether it is maximum or minimum. Now the A part of the question, perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. So it is given a perimeter is 30. So this will be equal to 2 into L plus B will be equal to 30 centimeters. That is L plus B will be equal to 30 divided by 2. So it is 15. If X is the width, then L plus X will be equal to 15. Therefore, our length will be equal to 15 minus X. Now in the second part, we need to find the area of the rectangle. Area equal to length into breadth. We have already found the length as x and the width as 15 minus x, or the other way around. So now our area will be equal to, when we multiply it, it is 15x minus x squared. So we have got the area. Now our C part, we need to find whether this turning point is a maximum or a minimum. First we need to differentiate it. Suppose if when y was given as x square plus 4x, when it was given, we wrote it as dy over dx will be equal to 2x plus 4. That is y which is on the left side, we wrote it on top. X on the right side, we wrote it below. In the same way, here it is in terms of a. So when we differentiate it, we write it as dA. On the right side, it is an x. So dA over dx. So when we differentiate it, 15x when you differentiate it is 15. And then x squared when you differentiate it is 2x. Now in order to find our stationary point, dA over dx equal to 0. So we equate this to 0. So our 2x will be equal to 15. So which implies x will be equal to 7.5. Now in order to check whether it is a maximum or a minimum point, so again we differentiated d squared a over dx squared. So 15 when we differentiate it is a 0, minus 2x when we differentiate it is a minus 2, which is less than 0. When it is less than 0, it is maximum. Therefore, the turning point is maximum. Or we can write turning point x equal to 7.5 is maximum. Thank you.